Thank you. Hi. This is henna?
هذا حنا يمني.
This one?
هذا برضه حنا مدينة. صدر.
Sidr. This is henna.
أيوه. هذا يمني وهذا مدينة.
Yemeni and Medina.
أيوه.
Okay. Thank you.
سوي لنا دعاية.
Oh, okay.
سوي لنا دعاية.
Yeah.
أيوه.
Bye.
ها؟ वैसे 22 कैरेट का है
تفضلوا سير هذا جماعة كبيرة
Woi, ajim nih.
Hello. Hi, can I come in? This is gold? Real gold. Can I come in and record? Thank you.
جاهز يا مدير بس ما يجي انا لك سيدي
اوكي
لك هذا 24 لك اعطيك هسه
والله لا
هذا الآية هذا خلها
Hi there. Can I record for YouTube?
No problem.
Yeah? How much would these go for?
18 carat.
18 carats? And what's the price range?
170, 18 carat, 165.
165? 165 to like 200? Thank you. Bye. Hello. Hi, can I record for YouTube? The gold? Is that okay? Yeah? These are all 18 carats or 21? 21. You have any 24 carats? And what's the price range?
Well, it starts 190.
Start 190 all the way up to?
200.
Up to 200?
250 maybe.
200 for the rings. So 190 real to 250 real. These ones.
This one.
These ones right here?
هذا.
These ones 190 to 200.
ايوه.
How about these ones all here?
يختلف الاسعار. يختلف في طالع في نازل.
Not the same?
ايوه تختلف.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Hello. Can I record for YouTube? Yes? Okay. Yes.
Yes, very good. Alhamdulillah. Get you. Welcome.
Thank you.
After you finish, show me your channel, huh?
Okay.
Give me your channel.
I will, I will.
Buddy, don't kill. Don't kill.
Gusto man.
Don't kill. Very nice price. Now we give you very
هو مو ثاني هذا اللي مو
Sorry.
ثاني
Excuse me, how much are these? The ABCs, the alphabets.
What do you want?
How much?
This one?
Yeah,
Different story. 300, 350,
300. And it's 24 carats or 21?
21.
21.
300
And it comes with the necklace?
Chain?
Those are the chains.
Chain,
And then the chain, what's the start? What is the price?
price only 300, 500, 600.
300 to 600. Wa alaikum assalam. How are you? Can I put you on my video? Okay. Everything's good. Oh, thank you so much.
welcome to my shop.
Oh, it's your shop.
Yes, give me your good name.
Sorry?
Your good name?
My name Yasmin. Yasmin.
Yasmin.
Yes.
MashaAllah, tabarakah. Welcome
Yeah.
to my shop. How can I help you? What do you want? I do
I'm
my
just
best for
walking
you.
around and recording.
MashaAllah.
I'm touring the area, so I'm like getting it on YouTube.
First time you coming here in my shop?
I've been here so many. No, not your shop. I've been here before, but not in the store.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah.
So I'm going around and recording.
Abdulaziz with you now.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Abdulaziz.
with you too.
Can you tell me about the necklaces?
See, here everything here.
Yeah.
I have 21, I have 18 carat. I have some design. I have 22 carat.
Okay.
Here I have option. I have something like this one. This is standard. For every shop only have the same design. This is standard.
Okay.
I have something different, like this one. See the finishing, see the quality. It came in different. See, you can use it only without pendant.
Okay. And
Not with
then.
the pendant, without pendant, you can use it only like this.
Yep.
Like necklace. And I have some design like this one. I have like this one. See the quality, see the
And the
finishing.
prices, they depend on the size. Like, what do the prices depend on?
Yeah, price for the pendant or the chain, they come different now.
Yeah.
There's a chain, we have some make.
Nope. I don't have good followers.
It's not good starting inshallah.
I don't.
This is a good starting inshallah. With us. Inshallah. So,
Thank
see
you.
this one?
Uh-huh.
The price for pendant now, Fama, I show you I give you all information for the pendant.
Yep.
I give you the price for pendant. Sometimes some making charge come different. Here I have this Arabic design. I have something is Dubai style and Kuwaiti style. They come in different per gram.
And if someone wants to order and they're not here in Saudi Arabia, would you be able to deliver?
Wallahi, now I didn't have this and this one from I didn't have now. But inshallah, my idea I put it already in the Instagram.
Yeah.
All the picture for my help. Maybe if you know someone here.
Yeah.
You can send someone now. If you have Marsul, you have someone. You can come in here from after you pay after everything. You can make a deal with him.
Yeah.
Me, I cannot sing now. I cannot sing.
Outside the country,
Yes,
no.
well, I cannot sing.
Okay.
See this one. I want to show you. See this one? See the quality for the chain.
One second.
See this one? I will see you.
And these are all 21, right?
It's me. You need it from some water. I'm drink.
Oh, I'm okay. Thank you so much. I came out
Here,
at my house and
everyone he coming should be from here. Give him Adani tea. You know, Yemeni tea.
Yemeni tea.
Yemeni
I've
tea.
tried it. I love Yemeni
Yes.
tea. But it's okay. I don't need it now because I ate before I came.
Okay. When you finish, I'll do everything.
So you guys know if you come to the shop, you'll get Adani tea.
Yes. Give it Adani.
Oh no, I'm okay. I'm okay. But I'm just telling them when they come here.
All your customers see me.
Okay.
And he didn't forget the shop.
Okay. So what's your location?
The shop. This
Yeah.
is Al-Balad Street, Gabel Street.
Yep.
Beside Al-Mahmal City. Anytime from. Yes, okay.
I'll get the.
This is my car.
Perfect.
And this one?
That's the QR code.
Yes.
Perfect.
I keep it there.
There we go. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Yasmin.
Hopefully you get people
Welcome,
come and
Yasmin.
visit. Thank you.
Thank you for everything.
All right.
You are very kind.
You're kind. Thank you so much, and you explained a lot.
Welcome.
I appreciate it. Have yourself a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Give me your account. I need to see.
Oh yes. Okay, let me turn it